2023 is a very exciting year for us because my family started in the construction industry in 1923. So 2023 is really a culmination of being able to work in an industry and provide a service to the American public for 100 years. And Superior itself would be our 85-year anniversary. I feel so proud that I get to work in a similar workplace with people who worked with my grandfather and my great-grandfather before him. But thinking about, turning half a century old and now nearing the actual century mark is really something that struck me deeply, and we're mapping out the next 15 years as we march towards the century. We're agile and we can adapt to different markets. What we've always done is we've never set a course and just said, this is what we're going to do. Back to the early days, which was the steel market and the petrochemical market up in Northwest Indiana, it's really the primary needs of the American public. And now the nation's infrastructure is in great need of being rebuilt. So once again, we're rising to the occasion there and just saying, what is the greatest need? Where can we put our skills to the best use? The collective energy we have at Superior is a large group of people that love challenges. They love problems, and they thrive off of those. There's a lot of opportunities out there, especially with the passing of the infrastructure bill. But the biggest opportunity I see, it's also a challenge, is getting people excited about the industry once again. There are an abundant amount of projects to do. It's finding the people who have that same interest and really highlighting and broadcasting that there is those exciting things to do out there. So at our 85th anniversary, we felt it was very important to establish that protocol, codify what we're doing, provide a framework for the company and for the people we work with. We want them to know there's a set of expectations and that we need to hold people accountable towards those. Superior's vision is to be the preferred contractor in the United States. So to be preferred is to be the place where people want to work and where owners and clients want to come to you when they have a challenge. So when we came up with our core values, the idea was that it was a circle, and each one of these core values supported the other one. And just as a circle is, if you remove a piece of it, it loses its integrity, loses its structural integrity, and will crack. So all of our core values support each other, and each one is absolutely necessary for us to do our job within how we feel our operating philosophy should be. Safety is very important because it ties directly in with our core of being a family company. If we all treat each other like we're all in the same family and look out for each other when our backs are turned, it makes a very dangerous industry something that at least you can feel that everyone is looking out for each other. I don't believe you could put safety over family or family over integrity. So the family side ties directly into safety, and the integrity goes right there as well. If we operate with strong ethics, then we can go to bed every night feeling confident about how we operated and that we gave the public the best service. The empowerment falls right in line with that as well. If we can trust people to operate in the best interest of the company, and the best interest of the company is also in their best interest, then we're all working in line. The commitment is very important because of how challenging this industry is. If we're not committed to our work and towards our communities, then we are missing an integral part of what we do. Innovation is very important for Superior because we're in an industry where not many things have changed. It's an industry that traditionally goes with this is how you did it before, so that's how we should continue to do it. A big part of Superior is looking past how things have been done and figuring out how they could be better. I grew up with the Superior logo almost being like a family crest. It never changed, it was always constant, and I'm very happy that I didn't get the tattoo when I was 18 that I thought I was going to get. Just like the infrastructure we build, everything has a life cycle. There are legacy projects that Superior's built over the years that we're very proud of, but sometimes they need to evolve. They need to change to the current day. They need to be relevant. And that's a big part of our strategy for survival is we always must remain relevant towards what the markets dictate. And we feel that a new, fresh logo, going back to the earlier days of a simplified Superior construction, is really going to help us push forward in the next generation. It keeps our iconic red color in place, and it shows something that's dynamic and able to evolve with the company. The company is adapting and thriving as it always has been. We're not stuck in the ways of the past. We've learned from them, we've gotten better from them, but we're always adapting, and we will always be a force to be reckoned with in the industry. I am thankful for each and every one of you who work in the Superior family and everything you do. I wish you a very strong year and look forward to working side by side with you going forward.